If you use Suno, you know this pain. You generate a song. Maybe the lyrics are average, maybe the melody is a throwaway, but the singer was perfect. They have the right tone, the right rasp, the right emotion. It feels like a real artist you want to keep. So, you try to save them as a persona. But in the past, that didn't work quite as you needed. Old Suno personas captured the voice and the vibe. If your singer came from a country song, they brought the banjos with them. Even if you tried to make a techno track later, you couldn't get the voice without the baggage. But that ends now. Suno V5 has just introduced the new update on vocal personas, and it solves the biggest problem in AI music. For the first time, we can extract just the voice and leave the style behind for reusing. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how good it is with live examples. So what actually changed? Well, previously, Suno analyzed the entire mix. It was messy. Now, V5 uses stem separation. It analyzes the track, strips away the drums, the bass, and the room noise, and isolates the vocal signal. Think of it as surgically extracting the vocal cords. It captures the timbre and the texture, but ignores the genre. This unlocks two things. Number one, true genre swapping. For example, putting a folk singer on a metal track. And number two, artist consistency. This is using the same singer for an entire album of different styles. But, and this is crucial, it only works if you feed it the right data. Enough talk, let's try it out. I have a fun, playful track here that I love, which we will be using as our bass song.
I sit on the throne they call a chair. You bring me tuna like you care. My kingdom's small, but I'm the king. Bow down now and hear me sing. I meow, you run this game so fun. Who's in charge?
Yeah, that's a great song. It's bouncy and light. But notice the female voice in this song. She's the character we want. I click the three dots, go to create and hit make persona. Suno starts processing the stem, and here we are presented with a waveform. Now stop, don't just hit save. This is important because here you are curating training data. To make sure we get a good voice for our persona, you need to follow two pro tips. Tip number one, solo lead only. Avoid harmonies or backing vocals. If the AI hears multiple people singing, it creates a weird mutant hybrid. You need to find a spot where it is just the lead singer.
I'm the king of the couch. You're my loyal little slouch. Fluff my pillow, fetch my feast. I'm the master. You're the beat.
See? In that portion, she's accompanied by some backing vocals, so we need to avoid this part. Tip number two, dynamic range. Try not to pick a flat, monotone verse. Include a transition if possible, because you want the AI to learn how the voice sounds when it's soft and how it sounds when it pushes for power.
My kingdom's small, but I'm the king. Bow down now and hear me sing. I meow, you run this game so fun. Who's in charge? Oh wait, it's me.
Okay, this part looks all good. Let's lock it in my clip. I'll name him Bouncy Kitty and hit save. Our voice is now extracted and saved. Now it's time to test it out. In the old version of Suno Persona, if I use this Bouncy Kitty, the next song would inevitably sound happy. The AI simply couldn't help itself. It would force upbeat chords because that's what the persona sounded like. Let's see if the new update has actually decoupled the style. Let's go to the Create tab and the Custom mode. Let's hit the Persona button here, and here we have our saved Bouncy Kitty persona. Let's select it. I'm going to type some lyrics I have, and for the style prompt, I am typing the complete opposite of a cat song. Let's go with laid-back reggae groove, slow to mid-tempo, one-drop rhythm, relaxed island feel. I want to see if the bouncy style bleeds through, or if the voice adapts to the reggae beach vibes. Let's keep the advanced options as default and hit generate. And here we are.
Sun going down by the ocean side.
I turn and go. Slow waves singing smooth and low. Chilling at the beach at sunset. No rush, no regret. Feel the rhythm in the sea. Easy mind, just let it be.
Wow. Okay, did you hear that? The music has completely changed into the definitive reggae style. There is absolutely zero trace of the bouncy piano. The happy style was completely wiped clean, and instead we have chilling beach vibes. But the voice? That is the exact same female voice. It's the same timbre, the same energy. She's just adapting her flow to this new reggae island feel. This is the power of new vocal personas. We took a singer from a song about a cat and dropped her into an island beach at sunset. The persona controlled the who. The prompt controlled the what. That separation is the game changer. Let's try another song from our persona. This time, let's try some country acoustic and see how our persona will handle it. I will type in some new lyrics, but for the style, I will type as acoustic country. Here we go.
Dirt road dust on my old boots, sun going down, playing my blues. Radio low, windows wide, laughing loud on a Friday night. Got a 6-string and a cheap cold drink. Small town dreams, don't overthink. Life ain't perfect, but it's alright under porch light.
Yeah. The genre of the song is again completely different. It adheres perfectly to what we requested. And without a doubt, it is still the exact female voice from our King of the Couch song. It feels like the same singer performing across completely different genres. But wait, I hear you asking. I have already created personas from 3 months ago that I love. Do I have to start over? Good news, no. Go to your library, find your favorite legacy persona, and look for the button that says Update to V5. And it will take you to the same waveform window where you can save the training data for the persona from the bass song you used. Suno will actually go back to that original source clip you used months ago, perform the new stem separation on it, and clean it up for you retroactively. It's a free upgrade for your existing characters. However, there is one technical detail you need to watch out for, or this won't work. This is where people get confused. When you have your persona selected, look at this little gear icon on the chip. Click it. You will see 2 options: Vocal Persona, New, and Style Persona, Legacy. If you leave it on Legacy, it will bring the music style with it. If you want pure vocal consistency without the musical baggage, you must ensure Vocal Persona is checked. Always double-check this before you hit Create, or you'll waste credits. This update bridges the biggest gap in AI music creation: consistency. We finally have control over the who and the what separately. Now, I know the question on everyone's mind. Can I upload my own voice and create a persona? Currently, as of this recording, Suno only allows you to create personas from tracks generated within Suno. You cannot upload an audio file of yourself singing in the shower just yet. However, they have hinted that this feature is in development. And when that drops, it is going to be the next revolution in the entire music industry. But for now, go through your library. Find those golden voices that you thought were stuck in silly songs. Extract them and build your own singers. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button for more like this. Let me know your thoughts on the new vocal personas in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.